Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to share with you 10 cross solves. Let's begin. The scrambles will be on the screen, and here is the first scramble. So the cross pieces are here, here, here and here. What I'm thinking is, let me see. Okay, so move the red piece here, the blue piece will come with it while I'm solving it, and the green piece it will do an L2. Okay, so F prime, R prime, F, D, L2. Okay, so the second scramble. So the cross pieces are here, 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 and this is solved. Okay, so what I'm thinking is put the blue piece here, the green piece is coming down, a down 2, put the red, align the cross, and then the orange cross piece is going down. Okay, so down, left, down 2, front, down prime, R prime. Okay, the third cross. Okay, this is an easy one. Let's see. The green pieces are here, here. The pieces are here, 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 and here. So what I'm thinking is, and I think this is the most forward execution and solve. So the red is coming here with D prime, solving the green, and then these two. Down prime, L, back, right to front to. And I would not do the orange pair first because it's a bit awkward to do it like this when we can do it like this. Yeah, I know, it's a preference thing. Okay, the fourth solve, scramble. Okay, so what I would do here, so I would put the orange piece here, the green piece would come here, solve it, and then these two. Okay, so I would do R prime, R, down, back, prime, up, left, front prime. Okay, then the fifth scramble. Okay, oh, this is an easy one too, almost, I mean. Okay, so the cross pieces are here, here, here and here. I'm thinking of two ways we could solve this. Let me show you both. Okay, so we have the first, I would put the orange or the red. I think orange would be better, and then this one. So R prime, left 2, and then down prime, R, down prime. And the second way would be to put this one, no, move this one here, and then align it like this, with this one in the back, put this one, those two in their spots, and down 2. So like this, R, down prime, R prime, down, R prime, left 2, down 2. Yeah, okay, the sixth one would be, let me see. Okay, this is an easy one too. So the cross pieces are here, 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 and here. Okay, so what I would do would be down prime, front prime, R2, left 2, or I mean left 2, R2, it's almost the same thing. Okay, then the 7th, okay, okay, so what I would do here is the green piece would come here with an up prime, okay, then the orange piece, after I put this here and then here, the orange piece would come over here, and then they would come, they will enter, anyways. Okay, so up prime, left, U2, left, front prime, down. Okay, the 8th scramble. Okay, this is a bit trickier, but not that hard. Anyways, so what I would do here would be move this out of the way with an left, with an L, and then put this here, bring this one down, align it, and then put these two. Okay, so left, down, left 2, down, left, R prime. Okay, this is an easy one. I mean, the two cross pieces are solved, and then I just have to put these two. So the better way, I think it would be to put this blue piece here, and then while I'm solving it, I would put the red down. I'm sorry for the motorcycle, I think it is. Anyways, up, L prime, front prime, L. Easy scramble. And then the 10th. Okay, this I think is the hardest of them all. Not anything special, but it's a bit harder. So we have the pieces here, 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 and here. So what I would do, I think the blue piece I would put it down and then here. The orange piece would come here, down prime to align it, and this would be here, and I would solve this with an R2. So R prime, then down prime, left, down prime, F prime, R2. Thank you for watching. I know, okay, let me solve this cube first, because I think it's annoying you, with a tipper at the end. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I know this video it's a bit longer than usual, but I think this would help you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe please, I need subscribers fast, please. Bye bye.